Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Asana workspace structure for scaling teams, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current Asana workspace structure. Identify the key areas where improvements are necessary. Gather feedback from team members regarding challenges they face. Set clear objectives for the updated workspace. Define the core project categories that align with your team's goals. Create a master project template for consistency across teams. Organize projects into sections based on team functions or processes. Utilize teams within Asana to segment responsibilities effectively. Establish naming conventions for projects and tasks to enhance clarity. Implement custom fields to track important metrics and statuses. Utilize tags to categorize tasks for easier filtering and searching. Review your team's workflow processes and identify bottlenecks. Incorporate automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Create a centralized dashboard for high-level project overviews. Ensure that all team members are trained on the new structure. Schedule regular check-ins to evaluate the effectiveness of the changes. Be open to ongoing adjustments as your team evolves and scales. Monitor usage and gather ongoing feedback to refine the structure. Engage stakeholders in the review process to foster collaboration. Celebrate small wins as the new structure is implemented. Promote a culture of adaptability as your workspace grows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.